All right, I wanted to show you guys this really cool tool for finding the right prompts for image and video generation. So this is ShotDeck. It's shotdeck.com. They have a free version. And basically what this allows us to do is to go into a specific shot. It gives us the color palettes that are being used, the aspect ratio, the frame size, like the lenses, the composition, the lighting. Like this is all stuff that cinematographers and photographers really think about very intentionally as they're creating their shots. And so if you're somebody who's using AI to generate an image or a video, it can be really useful to step in here and really think through the type of shot that you're looking for. So if you're like doing photo shots, but you only want it during the day, right? You can actually go into here and kind of see all the different day shots. And this works for a lot of different things. And so as you're thinking through like maybe a product shot or maybe a scene inside of a video that you want to create, you can come in here, get a sense of the colors that are being used. You could basically take a screenshot of the colors. You can throw them to Claude or whatever tool you're using. You also can call out a specific director because you want it in that style. Maybe there's like, you think about locations. There's a lot of different things that go into shots. And so what I kind of like to do is take a screenshot of something that's in here or take all of this information and I just turn it into a tone of image that I can consistently create these sort of shots for. And again, there's a lot of like different things to think about when framing your shots. So a lot of times as you're using these image generation systems, it's not really the tools that normally get in the way. It's sometimes just getting like the right, the right prompt. And so if you give it like a lens type that's ultra wide, it's going to give you this sort of shot with it zoomed in, right? If you're giving it like, or a telephoto, right? Like there's a lot of different things that you can prompt the AI that the AI understands that will give you better results as you're using these image generation systems. Also really important is lighting in shots, right? So like, what is the light? Is it top light? Is it backlight? Is it underlight, right? These all give different vibes with the things that you're creating. Like underlight's usually very scary, right? And so I usually like to use this as, if you're thinking through like how to get that perfect shot with the AI, I recommend going in here and learning about composition. And this is a great way to do it. And then pulling the types of lighting, the type of filter, the type of shot, is it day, is it night? And even like, especially with AI generated shots, it's usually better to have, using a method where it blurs out the background, right? That can go a really long way for making it look authentic. And so this is just a really awesome tool that I highly recommend for you guys to check out. You can like save it as decks, so you have like a bunch of inspiration. But the thing that makes us different is that it gives you very like clear breakdowns of how to use it. So even if I like took this whole thing, copied it, and put it into the AI, you're going to end up with a shot that's kind of like this. So this can be a really useful tool to really plan out, your frames for the videos that we're going to be teaching or the images that you are generating. I hope that is helpful. Thank you.